Yo, morning guys. All right, just got to Easy 7. This is a famous ditch spot in Houston. A bunch of people told me to check it out. I think it's been here for a very long time. Like, I think people have skated it since as far back as like the early 70s, so like 50 years. I'm pulling in now and it looks like there's a skate park here. So I don't know if there's another section like, down somewhere else where the DIY is and the ditch part, but yeah, this definitely looks like a prefab park. Looks fun though. It's a nice size mini ramp. Another nice mini ramp with a spine. Yeah, that looks fun. Still a little wet though, but I didn't come here really to skate, this park. I came to find this ditch. It looks like it drops down over here behind the skate park, so let's take a look. Ah, yeah, there you go. Wow. Yeah, I've definitely seen this spot in videos many times over the years. Now, what I didn't know or see in the pictures or videos or anything like that is it goes straight down into water. So, actually there's a little bit of space there. Place looks fun, but also I don't know how to warm up here exactly. Everything seems like pretty burly. Let me see. Yeah, maybe I'll just pump around a little bit. All right. A little slippery. All right. I think I'm figuring out the flow. All right, let's feel this out. I didn't even know where I would land. Like, the angle just kind of shoots you into this. I don't know if you guys could see it in the camera, but just like into the sideways bank. I don't know, gotta figure it out. Okay. We're getting there. All right. Maybe I just gotta launch off of this into the bank. Don't really want to. Yeah, maybe land this way. Yeah, we'll see. Yep, that's where it's sending me. All right, that one felt good. I had a little bit more speed than the last few, so it made the 5.0 easier, but it shot me out and I had no idea where I was going. I think I caught a little bit of that bank on the way down, a little bit of that one, but we made it out. Ow. Yep. All right, let's try to figure this one out. Oh my God. All right. Okay. Coming in blind from that disaster with this right in front of me, kind of intimidating. That was it. I just gotta stick it. Oh yeah. That's... Yep. Ah. That was good. Oh my... I'm not even sure what I hit. A little bit of everything. I'm pretty sure my hip caught the parking block on my way in because I got a little knot. Wow. redemption. Always feels good getting it to try right after a bad slam. I think it's fun though. I could see, like, once I'm gotten used to the spot, skating here a bunch, I could see myself skating that more. I got one more trick I want to do here that I'd be psyched on, and it's feeble fakie grind over this little hole here. Definitely got to sweep some of the ground up. It's a little sketchy, but yeah, it's a trick I feel like if it grinds, I can make happen. Also, something to consider is right when you land, it seems like it's further away, right? Like you got what, 8 feet, 10 feet, whatever it is. But it feels like when you land, the second you know where you are, you're going straight switch into the bank. But yeah, I think I could do it, so let's try it out. Okay. Kind of tough to get speed for it. Okay. All right, I'm a little bit of a slow learner, but I think I figured out how to get speed for it. I gotta book it down this, and then go up that little sliver, hit the corner, and come around. Okay, all right, that is a lot of work. The hardest part for sure is the speed. It's just burning my legs trying to pump all the way around for this. Oh, God. Ah. Guys, I fully 100% deserve that. Oh my goodness, I haven't fallen that hard in many, many years. So I've been riding that cracked truck for a couple of months, making a joke like, oh, I'll have a funny clip when it breaks, not thinking it would give out at the most important, like the fastest I'd be going into the hardest concrete, right into the bank. Oh my God. That felt so crazy. It sounded like an explosion, and it felt like I broke the concrete. Oh my God. Wow. Somehow I think I'm all right though. Kind of annoying though, because I want to do that feeble fakie, but I don't have a backup truck. I wish that was in frame. Oh my God. Look at that. I wish you guys could have seen that. Well, if you were ever wondering, it lasts a little while, but yeah, it's not gonna hold. Probably, I wouldn't advise for you guys to try to make them last once they're cracked like that. Oh, look at this. Wow. The kingpin's still good. This though, look at that. That's insane. I can't believe it. Oh man. All right, well, that was awesome. I just wish you guys were able to see the slam. That was kind of like the best part of the whole thing. But kind of bummed. I really want to do that feeble. I don't know. I don't think I have a backup pair of trucks in the car, so that's probably, I don't know, probably gonna have to hit a skate shop and pick some up. But yeah, just, that was crazy. I'm just happy I got out of that relatively unscathed. I think the fall before with the back disaster into the parking block hurt more than that one. That one was just more like, I don't know what the word is, like traumatic. It was like, it just felt like I got hit by lightning or something. But yeah, let me regroup, try to fix this board and see where we're at. All right, just pulled up to Clinton Skate Park, and they got some pretty good training here, but I don't think I'm gonna be skating it right now because I'm still a little bit shooken up from the slam earlier. I feel pretty good, a little scuff of my elbow and, you know, nothing too bad, luckily. But I got a premiere later at Southside skate park, so should probably lay low, not push it. Just threw on some new trucks, so I'm ready to go. And this is actually the first time in my life that I've switched the old bushings into the new trucks. Anytime I've ever had new trucks, I've always just, you know, throw them on, annoyed with them for a couple of weeks until I've broken them in and rinse and repeat. So now that I've done it, I mean, I haven't skated it yet, but just from the little bit I just rode around, I'm like, why haven't I done this every time? It's just so much better throwing in your old bushings. But yeah, I'm not gonna mess around on this bigger tranny that they have here, or even this ramp. Behind this, there's another quarter pipe. I'm gonna try to do switch front shove to pivot, shove it out. Hopefully I can get out of that unscathed and learn a new trick today. So let's see. All right, we got it. Yep, okay, and then got it, all right. A little slippery at the bottom. I think I just need to push it up a little bit. Slipping. Okay, okay, nice. Right in the mud. Why did I go for that? Oh. It's got a nasty smell to it too. Oh. That was it. All right. There we go. That's something. I'm not gonna lie. When I started to shove it in on that attempt, I felt like I was just gonna fall to the flat. I didn't feel like I was in a good position, but yeah, just went for it and it worked out. So I'll take it. It's a new trick for me. Yeah, like I said, this park looks it looks fun, but probably gonna take it easy the rest of the day. Try to catch up on some things, and you know, probably gonna be skating later at Southside. So yeah, that's it for me at this park, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I'm going out and I meet you as I'm going. What's up, Chad?
Nice to meet you.
Yo, so you know what's crazy?
What?
I'm from Florida, right?
All right.
I moved here a year ago.
Okay.
And I seen you go to all the skate parks in Florida. I'm like, damn, bro, I missed him, bro. Fuck. And now
awesome.
I live here and you're coming to Southside. This is my first time here, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, hell yeah. You leaving now or you skating?
No, I'm gonna grab my tripod so I can get a clip in there real quick.
What was your name?
Jason.
Chad, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
I'll see you in there. How's it going?
I didn't see anything.
How you been?
You just got here?
Yeah. You skating?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice. What's
up?
up?
What's up?
How's it going?
Ready to play game of skate?
Right now?
Yeah.
No, I gotta warm up first. Let me see you
come on.
skate the ramp.
I'll try.
about 10 minutes, we're going to screen this Chad Caruso video. It's a documentary of his travels. So let's check that out here in about 10 minutes. And you can see me coming out there, set things up, all these crowds.
I quit.
Thank you. I would have stood up on the Melon 540, but I.
Hey, that was incredible.
Thank you.
Justin. Nice to meet you. How's it going? Thanks for coming out, man. Yeah. How's it going?
Nice to meet you, man.
Chad, how are you?
I've done 50 miles like a couple of times, 60 miles once or twice. Across the freaking country, that's it.
You guys want to do a quick Q&A? Modest Mouse, The Growlers, occasionally a podcast, but then eventually music and content just got boring. It's like 12 hours a day, every day. You're just like putting stuff in your head. I'm just out in the wilderness. So eventually I just started fading away from that and just enjoying the silence. There was definitely some monologue going on. You tend to, things you may have suppressed or avoided, or it brings them to the surface and you're forced to acknowledge them, which I think ultimately is good. You end up processing it and thinking about it instead of blocking it out. And that's kind of where that thing I said about the music too. It's almost like you're blocking out facing the things you need to face, you know? And that's with alcohol, that's with like all these things. Essentially, you know, they're fun, we have fun with them, but you know, there's definitely a level of blocking out things. So I guess that's it. Cool, thank you guys, I appreciate it, thank you. Okay guys, that's it for today. Huge shout out to Eric from Southside Skatepark. If you're ever in the Houston area, that's the spot to go to. If my knee and body, just in general, wasn't beat up, I would have definitely been skating that vert ramp. That thing is perfect. But yeah, I mean, it was cool watching those twins absolutely crush it. And yeah, premiere went really well. It's another fun night. I'll see you guys tomorrow.